This is a hearty vegetarian dumpling stew. I believe it's called the Three Sisters Stew. And I was trying out this new recipe for the holidays. You see all the steam coming up. It's nice and warm. But this is my first time giving it a shot, and I just wanted to have something for the people who don't eat meat that was hearty. So those are black beans, and this is a winter squash. I put chopped up pieces of corn. This is a cornbread dumpling. So it's all vegetarian. There are whole tomatoes in there, onions, garlic. This is a very hearty, filling dish. Anybody could get full off of this dish if they were not a meat eater. I also put coconut oil in it. I love to cook with coconut oil. I really would like to have put some red palm oil in there. That would have made it even better. Maybe even added some okra, but I know a lot of people don't like okra. So this dish tastes wonderful. It's rich, it's warm, it's comforting. You can see how much steam is coming off of it. It's good for you, but I've never made dumplings before except for chicken and dumplings, which are a wheat gluten dumpling, whereas this is a corn dumpling. And the problem with my corn dumplings is, since it was my first time, as you can see, it just comes right apart. You see? It comes right apart there. So I'm not going to be able to serve this to my guests. Oh, there's pieces of corn in my dumplings, but even though it's delicious, because I'm concerned about the presentation of the dish. So I just wanted to throw that out there. If any of you guys know how to make a good cornbread dumpling, what's the difference? Because my cornbread dumpling seems to have steamed. And in steaming, it's very tender and delicate. So I didn't expect that. Other than that, the stew's pretty good. So this is my first holiday fail. Hopefully I don't have too many of these videos. Next I'm going to attempt I'm thinking a peach cobbler and a lemon meringue pie. I'll do those two next.